and welcome to GISTube. Today I will show you how to acquire or download climate data from credential website with freely just a click from your browser. So this site is basically called National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA), and from that website the National Center for Environmental Information specifically gives the data access to download daily precipitation from the early 1950s up to 2024. So now let us directly dive into the website and let us see how to download this climate data. This is the website that you are going to access actually the data, and I will give the links to the Telegram channel of the GISTube. So when you open this website, just you will get Global Historical Climatology Network Daily with the compilation of from different data sources in over 90,000 land-based stations worldwide, about a third of which are for precipitation measurement only. And the other one is the daily maximum and minimum temperature. So the tab called access, time and location. You can get a special coverage, so world documentation. When you click the documentation, you can get every description, the metadata about each data sets. Yes, the credits. So credits means citations and reference. Make sure that you will cite when you use data sets from these data sources on your project or for your research work. So just you can use this citation, this reference purpose. Yes. So keywords, constraints, and other many more informations are available here. So just go to this search data and search, click on the NCEI GIS map viewer. So just click on this one. So it is loading, as you can see here, loading 75%. Let's wait. Okay, so this is, yes, these are stations, as I told you in the introduction of the dataset collection, or 90,000 stations. This is for America. Yes, let's explore the datasets. This is also for North America. Yes, this is for world. This is the data. Global summary of the day. So, for example, let me search for a location. So you can write this on this for your location. For example, let me write my country, Ethiopia. Yes, and search Ethiopia. Search. Yes. Okay. So this is the stations that are found in Ethiopia. Yes. So click on these settings. So click on rectangle. Let me select the stations from this. Yes. And then you can click on select all if you find your stations in your study area, but let me select this one. This one is found in my country. Wash. Yes. Yes, Berta. Yes, this is not found. Berbera, Pol International Airports. Yes. Yes. Kombucha. Thermal markers. Okay. Yes. Koji, Gunda, Guri, Har, Jijika, Jima, Kauridaha, Kauramangast. Yes. Nakamte, Makale, uh, study area. Click on Add to Cart. Okay. So we have selected. I have selected this maximum temperature, minimum temperature, precipitation. Accept. Yes. Where? Again, write your country here, Ethiopia, or your location. Okay. When? It is the time range. So click this one. Select the date range. For example, I want from 1980 month. Okay. 01 day 01. For example, 2023 month 12 date 30. Yes. So everything is ready. This is every station. So click on this one, select all. So output format CSV, configure and add. Click on configure and add. Okay, great. Bounding box. This one is the information. Bounding box means your location or your study area. In my case, Ethiopia. Start is 1980 01 2023 to this one. Data type, maximum, minimum, and precipitation. So I expect these three types of data. So include attributes, yes. Include station location, yes. Include station name, yes. Okay. Click on add order to cart. Proceed. Click on proceed. So contact information. Write your email here. The system sends to you by your email. So write your email. Then click on submit. Order submitted. So wait a few moments and open your email. Yes. Okay. Submitted. Getting started. Thank you for using this data ordering service. Your data has been successfully submitted. Processing shortly. This is the first step of getting your data order processed. Once the data is added to the processing query, it will be processed as soon as possible, and then an email will be sent when processing is complete. So it takes a few minutes, usually 1-2 minutes. So let me keep and check again my email. So the data is already ready. Crime data complete. So just go to this link file download available until this drive. So go to download. Loading. Okay, complete. Let us open. This is the station. Yes. Station name. Hours, latitude, longitude. This is station location, elevation. Yes, this is the date. Yes, I expect three types of data as I said. Maximum. Yes, maximum attribute. I don't want this. This is maximum. This is minimum temperature. This is precipitation. So it starts from 1980 to until the date of this data is available. This way you can download maximum temperature, minimum temperature, as well as precipitation or rainfall for continuous data by using this website freely. So this is what we have today. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.